How to add gift card to Amazon Baby Registry 2025 method. If you're preparing for a baby shower or planning your baby essentials, Amazon's Baby Registry is one of the easiest ways to organize everything you need. But here's the catch: most people don't realize that adding a gift card to your Amazon Baby Registry is not just a nice convenience. It's a powerful way to ensure your loved ones can contribute exactly what you need without worrying about choosing the wrong item. In this guide, we're going to walk you through the 2025 method for adding a gift card to your Amazon Baby Registry, step by step, so you never miss a chance to make your registry smarter, simpler, and more flexible. First, let's clarify why gift cards are so valuable on a baby registry. Unlike physical gifts, gift cards provide flexibility. Maybe a friend wants to buy the crib, but you found a better deal later, or perhaps your baby's needs change after birth. With gift cards, you can purchase exactly what you want, when you want it, making the registry experience stress-free. You won't believe how many parents skip this step and later regret not having the flexibility that gift cards offer. So, how do you get started? Step 1 is to log into your Amazon account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account. Amazon requires a registered account to manage baby registries, and this account will be tied to your gift card funds. Make sure your account details are up to date, including your shipping address, since gift cards applied to your registry will ultimately be used for purchases that are delivered to your home. Once logged in, navigate to the Baby Registry section. You can find this under the Accounts and Lists drop-down menu. Click Create a Baby Registry if you haven't already, or select your existing registry if you've set one up previously. The registry dashboard is where you'll manage everything from adding items to tracking purchases, and yes, adding gift cards is included in this section. Here's the crucial part most people miss. Adding a gift card isn't about creating a separate product listing. Instead, it's about linking the gift card to your registry so that it appears as an option for friends and family who want to contribute. In 2025, Amazon has streamlined this process significantly. You'll want to click on Add Items and then scroll to find the option that says Add Gift Card or Gift Card Balance. This is slightly different from traditional product addition, so don't skip over it, assuming it's a standard item. Next, choose the amount for your gift card. Amazon allows you to specify a range, usually starting at $10 up to hundreds of dollars. Think strategically. Smaller increments are easier for multiple friends or family members to contribute, while larger amounts can cover bigger ticket items. You won't believe how a carefully planned set of gift card amounts can help you fund everything from diapers to strollers without asking for dozens of individual gifts. After selecting your amount, personalize your gift card message. While this step might seem minor, it adds a personal touch for anyone purchasing the gift card. It can be as simple as "Thank you for celebrating our baby with us," or you can include a more playful note. Personalized messages help friends feel connected to your registry and encourage contributions. Once you've chosen the amount and personalized the message, confirm the gift card addition. In 2025, Amazon now allows you to see a live preview of how the gift card will appear on your registry. This is helpful because you can verify that everything looks correct and that the amounts and messages are displayed properly. Most people get this wrong by skipping the preview, which can lead to confusion later if amounts or messages are entered incorrectly. Now, let's talk about management. After adding the gift card to your registry, you can track how many people have contributed to it. Amazon provides a simple dashboard showing the gift card balance and contributions. This is key for planning your purchases, because you'll know exactly how much you have available to spend. You won't believe how often parents overlook this step and end up with partial contributions scattered across multiple cards. Tracking everything in one place simplifies your life. Next, consider the redemption process. Once a gift card has been added and purchased by a friend or family member, it will be applied to your Amazon account balance. You can then use this balance to buy any item on your registry, making it easy to secure the exact product you want. In 2025, Amazon has improved flexibility. You can split gift card balances across multiple purchases, meaning you don't have to use the entire gift card on one item. This feature is particularly useful for larger registries or when spacing out purchases over several months. Another tip many people miss: you can share the gift card link directly with family and friends. Instead of waiting for someone to browse the entire registry, you can send a direct link to the gift card option. This method often increases contributions because it simplifies the process for your loved ones. You can share the link via email, text, or even social media. The easier you make it for others, the more likely they are to contribute. Now, let's cover a common question: Can you combine multiple gift cards from different contributors? The answer is yes. Amazon automatically consolidates gift card balances linked to your account. This means that whether 3 friends contribute $25 each or one contributes $75, the funds are pooled together for you to spend as needed. This makes planning purchases much simpler and eliminates the hassle of managing multiple separate codes. It's also worth mentioning the importance of reminders. Many parents set up their registry early in pregnancy and then forget to prompt friends and family about the gift card option. Amazon allows you to send reminders or updates to your guest list, encouraging contributions. A simple nudge can significantly increase participation, ensuring that your registry stays funded as your due date approaches. Security is another crucial point. Gift card balances on Amazon are protected, so you don't have to worry about unauthorized use. Always keep your account login secure, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication if possible. Most people overlook these steps, but they are essential for protecting both your registry and your gift card balances. Let's review a practical scenario. Suppose you've added a $100 gift card to your registry, and 3 friends each purchase a $25 portion. Your registry dashboard will reflect a total of $75 available for purchases. You can then choose to buy diapers, formula, or a stroller, using the gift card balance to cover part or all of the cost. This flexibility ensures you get exactly what you need without duplicates or missing essentials. Finally, don't forget about combining gift cards with other registry benefits. Amazon often offers completion discounts and promotions for baby registries. By adding gift cards strategically, you can maximize your savings and stretch your contributions even further. For example, if you have a $100 gift card balance and Amazon offers a 10% completion discount on remaining items, you effectively gain extra purchasing power. In conclusion, adding a gift card to your Amazon baby registry in 2025 is simple, flexible, and incredibly useful. By following these steps: logging in, navigating to your registry, adding the gift card with the desired amount, personalizing the message, previewing, and sharing, you ensure that your registry is not only well-funded, but also convenient for both you and your friends. Most people get this wrong by ignoring gift cards or assuming they are complicated, but here's why. Gift cards provide unmatched flexibility, allow for partial contributions, and give you control over exactly what you purchase for your new arrival. By mastering this method, you'll have one less thing to worry about and more confidence that your registry will meet all your baby's needs.